Tour's ready.
There's 7 adults.
Oh, you can follow over here.
It's 2 kids. My son is 1. Is he free?
Yeah, he's free.
Okay.
Yes.
It's 2 kids under 12.
What's up, TNS family? Welcome back to our channel.
What's your fake girls?
It's your boy Tuxx and Tours. So yeah, today we're here at To Sua, man, and it is a beautiful day.
It's a beautiful day.
It's not raining. There were a bit of clouds like coming over the mountain, but man, it is beautiful. So why not take advantage of the day? Tour.
Son, stop running.
So you fam, just let us, we're just gonna go and get situated and all that, and then some water footage. Let's go. Alright fam, so right now we're all ready to go. Tour's got his
Son.
swimsuit on. So Cesar's gonna take you guys down into To Sua, and me and Son's gonna go and kick it down there. We kind of figured that it's probably too much of a height to carry Son.
Yeah.
And we didn't
Not
bring
safe.
his carrier. But
Yeah.
we don't really trust the carrier anyway, so yeah, it's all good. It's all good. Tor will be able to climb up and down there by himself one day. Next year. But yeah fam, hope you guys enjoy the water footage.
Okay guys, there's a line to go down. I don't know how my hair's looking, but it is what it is. The last time I came to Rwanda wasn't like that, but they've fixed it where it's like on a better angle going down, and there's more grip. But if you think you're coming to Sua and you're unsure how to get down, guys, this is how you go down.
Yeah, we got this. Come on, we got this.
Guys, sorry, I'm gonna jump.
I'll just jump.
Yeah. Okay guys, and now I'm going back. We're inside the cave, and it's very suave. Oof. Grab the rope. So when it's like the tide comes in, it's like pulling you out, back in. Jump with your feet up. No. Is this too high? I'm scared. Who's carrying me up if I hurt myself? One down? Okay guys, for the vlog. Do it for the vlog. Do it for the vlog. Look at my ear. Go.
Yeah.
Good boy, Ethan.
So, can I have one? Just one. Alright fam, so seeing some of these what do you call them when they're like this bubbles? It was just floating. I was like, man, I want to see if I can husk it. So yeah, found the way, got it. But I won't crack it. I'll crack it when Sis goes, because all the fish will come. This little rock pool, Mentor's been in here, like I said before. And bro, it's nice, eh? It's nice. Son's been loving it because you know, it's like a bit of a shallow part, and he can just kind of like explore, walk around and whatever. So yeah, that's been us for the last, I don't even know. Don't even carry my phone, don't know what time it is. It's island life. Oh, lucky.
Be careful, honey. This looks shallow. Help? He wants to help you. Push, push. Oh, good job.
Just gonna show you inside this cave here. The waves are crashing a bit more before, but kind of calmed down now. Bro, and I don't know what these fish are, bro. Like, they jump on the rocks. Oh, there's the waves. Oh yeah, they jump on the rocks. And they just like kick it. Hopefully seen that. But yeah, this is so this is like the other side, outside of To Sua. Oh, some huge crabs here. Wow. Oh, that looks nice. You got a stick, yeah. I'll just quickly show you around here. Look at all these fish, bro. They're like caught in this little like rock pool here. So as you can see, the waves will push up on here. Like it gets pretty high, the waves. So come in here, bang, fill up this pool. And my village, Salangi, is not far from here. It's like a little bit down there, around corner somewhere down there. So yeah, mad.
You right?
Let's go. Hey.
If you don't bring a towel, you gotta lay out like Sangha.